Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com and finbingo.com. And US markets closed well in the green. That is something positive. And then US VIX also came down, and it has been continuously coming down for the last 1 week, 10 days. And so they are the good things. But however, there was intraday sell-off happens. And in fact, last Friday also, in the last 1 hour, there was one intraday sell-off, but that was bought into. And yesterday also, 2 times the intraday sell-off came, and both the times it was bought into. So that shows that, the short sellers are using every dip to buy or to cover the shorts. And now, for 7 continuous weeks, it has lost. And this is the 8th week, and so it has opened very well. The first trading day, both Dow and Nasdaq has closed significantly higher. So that is something good. And another thing, after a long time, so this is the first time the Dow closed in green for 3 consecutive days. And so far, before that, 6 consecutive days red. And for a long time, I don't think that Dow closed in green for 3 consecutive days. So if 4th day also it closes in green, so we can say the trend has changed. But however, looking at the Dow future right now, it's trading in negative. And Asian markets, they are mixed. Hong Kong is down and some other markets are higher. And Asia is not sharing the enthusiasm. And there are many reasons, the crude oil shot up, for various reasons and those things. And coming back to our market, so our market also, after falling from 17,400 to 15,700 in just 8 trading sessions, and struggled between 15,700 and 16,100. And last Friday, it tried to recover, but that intraday huge sell-off brought the Nifty back to 15,750. But yesterday was the first trading session. There was a meaningful short covering and meaningful recovery today. Now the billion-dollar question: has the market bottomed out at 15,700, or this is a dead cat bounce? So right now we cannot decide anything. So we have to wait for a few more days. And because, FIAs may use this bounce back to sell also. So that possibility is there. And as I told you, for Dow, it has to close more than 3 days in green, so that, we can assume that the trend has changed. And so like this, this is the first time Nifty closed significantly higher. And we have to wait for another 1 or 2 days. And even right now, SGX Nifty indicating lower opening only, but that's like, it was down about 50-60 points down, but right now it's about 30-40 points down. And anyway, we don't worry about the opening, and we worry more about closing. So we have to see where the market closes today. There are some good things and some bad things, So if you're looking at the good things, markets all over the world are seeing the short covering rally, and here the rally was supported by the index heavyweight. In between, the market recovered also. That time also Reliance was not doing well, but yesterday for the first time Reliance actually led the rally, and Reliance alone contributed about 80 points for the Nifty rally. Metal index was up nearly 7% yesterday, and all the metal stocks like shot up like anywhere from 7% to 12%, and that's a serious short covering. And last week, the swing high was 16,100. That 16,100 swing high was taken out decisively. So normally what happens in one swing, if 16,100 is the resistance, and when that has crossed it decisively, and when the market moved another 150-200 point, then that 16,100 resistance become now support. So earlier support was 15,700. Now the support is at 16,100. and FIAs continue to cover some of their shorts. So these are the good things. But bad things are also there. And number one, this is just a purely short covering rally. I don't think that anybody is willing to buy any share at this point of time. So whatever happened is just a short covering. No fresh buying has happened. So when the fresh buying happens, that's when the market will move significantly higher. And second thing, this short covering came without any corresponding change in the fundamentals of the economy or without any major news flow. Even yesterday, Powell said, we will continue to raise the interest rate until the inflation comes down. So, since there is no change in the fundamentals, so short covering rally may fizzle out anytime. And though FIAs are covering some of their shorts, but they are not covering the shorts in a meaningful quantity. And even today, their shorts are 70%, longs 30% in index futures. But only thing is, few days before, their short position was 83%. I don't think I've seen that kind of short even during Lehman Brothers collapse and coronavirus. So 83% short, now it has come down to 70% short, but still it's very, very high. The short position should go below 50%. That is when you can say the market has become normal. And economic problems persist. India also banned the wheat export because of a heat wave. Production is less. So if the production is less, there is no way inflation will come down. And already Russia-Ukraine war, Russia and Ukraine are the two major contributor for this wheat export. That is also a problem. And now this European Union planning to stop the Russian crude oil, and because of that the crude oil has shot up and now it has again come back to $113. So this economic problem still persists, and they are not going to go away very soon. So anyway, we must be happy as long as if the Nifty is trading above 16,000. And today, yesterday evening, the Bharti Airtel result came, and the results are very good. So that may help Reliance also, because they both are in the same business, telecom. And today, one important result is from ITC, but that will be coming after the market hours. So the markets will react only tomorrow. And yesterday, the Bank Nifty actually underperformed Nifty, and Bank Nifty did not go as much as Nifty went up. So, if the rally has to continue, then the Bank Nifty will have to catch up. And if not on the way down, the Bank Nifty can contribute more on the downside. So, if my guess goes right, okay, because of a significant rally yesterday, that markets may consolidate for 1 or 2 days, and again tomorrow weekly expiry, so markets will be volatile. Markets may consolidate with a range bound volatility, we can say, and then probably Friday or next Monday, market will make a bigger move on either side. It's going to be on the higher side or lower side. It all depends on other factors. And yesterday also the retail sales data came from US, which was not bad, and which indicate that still economy is strong. And I think if the US market see that economy can grow despite the interest rate hike, then the markets may stabilize and market may move. So for today, we can expect Nifty to trade between 16,100 to 16,300, and for the week, we may expect around 16,000 to 16,500. And a consolidation for a day or two is always good, so that you can adjust your positions. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.